A little birdie told us that you have your eye on the Triton Pendulum Jigsaw.
Well, lucky for you, we are going to tell you everything you need to know.
Let's do it.
A jigsaw is actually the first power tool that we ever owned back when we were teenagers making things out of scrap wood in our parents' garage.
And its ability to do a wide range of cuts makes it an essential tool for any maker at any level.
The Triton TJS001 has a pendulum action to it, which basically means that you can adjust the amount of pressure that this guide bearing is putting against the blade. This means you can adjust the pressure to match the type of cut you're making. We use our jigsaw a lot for rough cuts and breaking down material, so we keep it on number 3, which helps for a faster and more aggressive cut. But whenever we're using the jigsaw on a finer cut or a finished piece, we switch it down to 0 or 1, which reduces the aggressiveness.
As with most jigsaws, you can adjust the speed to match the material that you're cutting. The motor on the Triton Jigsaw also compensates for the pressure that you use while you're cutting, which keeps the speed more consistent and easier to control.
But the saw has some other features that we think makes it worthy of a place in your tool collection.
The sliding on and off switch nicely locks into position, meaning that you don't have to try and awkwardly hold it while you focus on your cut.
And when the saw is turned on, the motor has a soft start function, which means you're not starting every cut with an uncomfortable jolt.
The dual grip design is super comfortable and allows you to have one hand to control the direction and the other to keep the pressure down on the material that you're cutting. We do find that the saw has enough weight to it, so you don't always have to use the two-handed approach, but it's great when you need that extra stability on an important cut.
The blade type that this saw takes are the standard T-shank quick release style blades. Changing the blades is super easy as the bayonet style mounting is very quick to do, and the best part is that you don't need any extra tools to do it. You simply lift the cover open, which automatically releases the blade so you can replace and drop the cover again. You can even play a fun little game like we do and try and ping your dull blade straight into the bin.
One of the great things about this jigsaw is the fact that you can cut a lot of different types of materials as long as you have the right blade type. We use ours all the time to cut wood, plastic, metal, and you can switch between these as quickly as you can switch the blade.
Once you've got your blade installed, you also have the option to tilt the base plate up to 45 degrees in both directions, which is great if you need to make a bevel cut in your piece.
You can also get an adapter plate for the base of the jigsaw, which allows you to use the Triton tracks for straight cuts. This is one of those features that doesn't get a load of regular use from us, but it's definitely got us out of a pinch when we need to make a straight cut and we don't fancy freehanding it.
So that's all the key features covered, so let's take a look what you get in the box when you first open your new Triton Jigsaw. You'll get the 750 watt TJS001 Jigsaw main unit, as well as a carry bag, a selection of blades for both wood and metal, a track adapter, a dust port adapter, the base cover, a parallel guide, and the instruction manual.
Right, to round things off, let's give you a full rundown of all the tech specs. It has a maximum cutting capacity of 110mm in wood, 10mm in steel and 25mm in aluminium. The stroke length is 26mm. It has a no-load speed range of 800 to 2900 RPM. The angle of the base can be adjusted from 0 to 45 degrees both left and right. It takes standard T-shank style quick release blades, and the size and the weight of the unit gives good balance between portability and having enough mass to keep the saw grounded to the workpiece, which helps with the overall cut quality.
So there you have it, the full rundown on the Triton Pendulum Action Jigsaw.
If you don't have a jigsaw in your tool arsenal yet, then it's a great option for you to have to scratch that maker itch.
Big thanks to all of you for watching. Be sure to subscribe to the Triton Tools YouTube channel for more tool walkthroughs.
And if you want to see more of us, then head on over to our channel, It's Brothers Make.
See you in the next one.